Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we're taking a look at Wyspell's Classic Tarot Kit. Thank you so much to Wyspell for sending this my way. This retails for $25.99 in the US, and everywhere that you can legitimately purchase it will be linked in the description box below. Alright, this is a whole set that includes a 78 card classic deck, a 112 page guidebook, a tarot cloth, 7 chakra stones, a pendulum, gemstones, card pouch, and 2 card holders. Use daily to manifest your intentions, tap into your intuition, and build confidence in your card reading. All right, so this would maybe make a great gift because it's got all of that in there. Then we have a tarot reading ritual on the top of the box. Okay, I'm just going to let you know what they are and then we'll take a deeper look. So this is the cloth here. This is the classic tarot deck. This I have an unboxing and flip through of. I'll link it in the eye if you want a deeper look into it. The tarot pouch and the gemstones. By the way, I've already unwrapped all of this so you didn't see me struggle. These are the 2 card holders. And then we have the pendulum and the 3 gemstone bottles. All right, let me unwrap it all, put it together, be right back. Okay, this is the tarot cloth. It's like a burgundy color with these gold moons and stars on it. And what I like about this is it's not a super silky tarot cloth, because sometimes your cards can slip and slide and fall right off of your altar or your surface with a super silky, slippery kind of fabric. So this is going to ensure they kind of stay where they are. The bottom is like almost like a canvas feel, not uncomfortable. So it's going to be a nice surface area for your cards. And speaking of your cards, I'll show you what these look like. This is the guidebook that was talked about on the cover. This is the back, and they are a vibrant Rider-Waite-Smith card. And I'll show you how they shuffle. Very nice. And overhand. Yes. Okay. And then while we're at it, here are the 2 wooden card holders that just look like this. Very nice. And you can put 2 if you're feeling bold on each one. What I like about the card holders is if you do any kind of altar work with tarot cards, this is great to have the card stand on it for your altar. Or if you like to see an affirmation or your tarot card during the day, you can put this on your desk, wherever you're going to see it throughout the day on a surface, and it's standing up for you. So I really like having a card holder for that purpose. And then we do have the pendulum here. I also like having a pendulum with me with whatever working I do, because once you're connected to it, it really helps to solidify the answers or help guide you. And remember, when you're getting a new pendulum, that you always ask it, you know, what does a yes look like? What is a no? What is a maybe? Because each pendulum has their own sequence. Not one or 2 are alike in my experience. So that's a nice pendulum. And then this is the tarot cloth bag. It's like a velvety texture with 2 ribbon drawstrings. It's a really nice size. I think it's going to be perfect for these tarot cards. And then inside I just put the chakra crystals. So let's take a peek at those. Okay, we have the quartz. They're pretty decently sized tumbles as well. Rose quartz. Amethyst. I think this is onyx. It could be jet. I do not know. I always get those confused. Sodalite. Carnelian. And tiger's eye. I love a tiger's eye. The flashes are so nice. Yeah, they're pretty decently sized. I am not mad at that. And then we have the 3 gemstones here. We have lapis lazuli. Great if you're needing help with communication or intuition insight. And I love that they're in these little spell jars because you can take them out and put them in your own spell workings, or, you know, if you have a little container for a necklace, put them in a pocket, whatever you choose to do. We have a green adventuring and rhodonite. And you get a pretty nice size out of it too. So I'm going to read you what they say on the back for each of the items. So for the 78 Classic card deck, unveil hidden truths and unravel life's mysteries with our meticulously crafted tarot cards. Explore intricate symbolism and gain profound insight to your past, present, and future. The 112-page guidebook. Empower your tarot readings with our comprehensive guidebook. Suitable for beginners and seasoned practitioners. Master interpreting cards, spreads, and intuitive abilities. There are some spreads in here. I think there's 3. So we have the chakra spread, the week ahead, Celtic cross, and then we have past, present, and future layouts as well. This is a decent guidebook. The one thing I really enjoy about Wyspell tarot decks is their guidebooks are pretty in-depth without being overwhelming. So they have upright keywords, reverse keywords, a love, career, and finance meaning for each of the cards. So even a quick reference guide for each of the suits. So nice, especially if you're a beginner and get overwhelmed easily. A Wyspell deck is a great place to start because their guidebook isn't so thick and dense. Okay. Then the chakra stones. Keep your cards and spirits aligned. Chakra stones help cleanse and protect your cards while strengthening your connection to the reading. The pendulum enhances intuition during the reading and offers guidance when the message from the cards feels unclear. So yeah, exactly that. You can ask if this is the correct card. Is this the correct meaning that I'm gleaning from it? All of those things with a pendulum to help you hone in, and especially to help you with your intuition. Pendulums are a great place to start for that. And then the card pouch, safeguard your treasured cards and chakra stones in an elegant pouch. Preserve their beauty and protect them when not in use. And the card holders. Add practicality and sophistication to your tarot practice with 2 beautiful card holders. A touch of elegance to your readings. And like I said, these are fantastic for altar work or to look at your card for a daily reminder. So all in all, I really think this set is great for $25.99. I mean, if you were to source each of these individually, it would be a lot more than that. So having a kit like this, especially if you're just starting out or if you're wanting to get a kit for travel or on the go, this is something that I could see being a worthwhile purchase for the price tag alone and everything you get. So I think this is fun. What a great gift. What a great wish list item for somebody to get you off of for your birthday or for Christmas or any kind of holiday. I think that this is fun. Now, I would love to know your thoughts. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you can see purchasing? Is this something that you think somebody would really enjoy, really like, or is this a pass from you? Please let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop a sun emoji to let me know you have. Thank you so much to Wyspell for sending this my way. This is such a fun kit to go through and have it in a collection. And thank you all for hanging out with me. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And don't forget, if you want any of these items, I will link them down in the description box below. And if you want to check out the tarot deck in full, I will have it in the eye, or you can search my channel for that flip through too, as well as any of the other Wyspell decks that I have gone through on the channel as well. Okay, thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.